It was good, guys. Instructify here. As you might know, Roblox limits your FPS to 60 by default. And today I'm going to be showing you how you can unlock extra FPS. So for instance, if you have a 165Hz monitor like I do, you can have more FPS. So just follow my steps. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is open up Chrome. In Chrome, search ASXTIN Roblox FPS Unlocker. In here, click the first link. In here, press the zip file. Once you get the zip file, download it. After it's finished downloading, X out of Chrome and go into File Manager. In File Manager, go to Downloads, then unzip that file. In here, press this. Now the Roblox FPS Unlocker has been enabled. Now you can set the FPS cap. In my case, I want to set it to 165 since my monitor only supports up to 165Hz, and anything more will be useless. So if I go into a game now, as you can see, once I go into a game now, my game feels much smoother. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any more questions, I'll leave a link to my Discord down below.